Hello everyone and welcome on this new extended analysis on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So what's happening in the gold and why in God's name it's still rising? Actually, we will try to answer this question right now. In my opinion, the gold right now is rising for mainly two reasons. Number one, Mr. Trump actually has imposed to apply 100% tariffs on China. And that is, of course, causing the gold to remain as the safest haven for investors. Number two, which is this one right here. So, U.S. Treasury Secretary, based on China trade, we could move more aggressively than China has. Of course, this means a trading war. And that's actually not calming things down. Actually, it's adding more oil on the fire. So actually right now what's happening is the gold remains to be the safest haven, and a lot of uncertainty being added right now to the market. So again, guys, gold still rises. Now, what exactly we can do next with the gold? Now, from my point of view, we have to be very careful. And remember, my friends, this rising right here at one moment, it will make a sudden crash. I'm certain about that. The crash is going to happen soon at any moment. They know that everyone is going to buying the gold. And that's why at any moment there will be a crash. But until then, we cannot just assume. I mean, I remember a lot of traders kept assuming that here we have a double top pattern, let's sell. Here we have a triple top, let's sell. Here we have a double top, let's sell. So guys, we have to stop assuming. Don't guess, just swim with the flow. If the gold is rising, let's go along with it. If the gold is going to make a sudden long-awaited crash, then we will look for a sell. Until then, let's keep buying and let's see when this drama will end. So as you can see right now, based on the 4-hour time frame, what we have right here is actually a strong level of a key resistance trend line that recently has just been broken out from, as you can see. So again, resistance trend line number one, number two, and the bullish breakout. So we will just simply wait for the gold to retest this level of a previous resistance trend line and open our trade exactly right here, hoping for the gold to pass the test and actually continue the rise. That being said, let's now move to the recent structure that we have right here. But again, we don't have here anything at all. It's completely blank because the gold is actually swimming in the uncharted water and actually right now creating a new all-time high. So meaning, what we can do in this case? Well, thankfully in Xtreme Trader, we have a lot of tools that can help us to analyze the market even in the blank spaces, which is of course the Fibonacci retracement. So allow me to show you something. This is actually from my personal experience, guys. So as we can see, what we can do is connect the Fibonacci retracement right from this high to this low like that. And now we have here Fibonacci 119. But of course, maybe none of you have it because actually I have added this manually. Why? Actually, this is something I have learned back in 2018 and I was applying it. So basically Fibonacci 119 is actually not official retracement level, but it actually can give you a good entry if you are looking to retest or actually to buy at the retest of the broken structures. Allow me please to show you some quick examples of how did this work in the past. So just to make it a clear chart, for example, if we connect the Fibonacci right from this high to this low right here, as you can see, let me just show it to you. Check this out. Almost an instant reversal, or actually exact reversal at exactly 119. Let me just show you another example. If we connect it from this structure or from this high to this low right here, as you can see, guys, again, a sniper entry to buy exactly at Fibonacci 119. So I found this actually a trustworthy level. Therefore, I would like to show you that we can actually place our buy order exactly right there at Fibonacci 119. And for those who would like to apply it to study them by themselves, here are the settings I have for my Fibonacci retracement. As you can see here, you can see added 1.19 as 119. So in this case, where exactly is going to be our next take profit if we place our buy order right here at 4,078.93? Of course, it has to be somewhere around the overbought at Fibonacci 161.8. But in my opinion, with this very strong movement, the gold has barely respected any Fibonacci 161.1 at any Fibonacci 161.8 at all, and just kept making a bullish breakout from these areas. Therefore, we actually have to assume also in this case that the gold most likely will make a bullish breakout from 161.8 and most likely will continue the rise till Fibonacci 261.8. But that's going to be a hard to reach scenario in my opinion. Therefore, let's be somehow more realistic and just apply our next TP to be exactly at 4,164, right below the middle between 161.8 and 261.8. And that means we can actually aim around, hopefully, 874 pips in our favor. Meanwhile, the safe zone in this case shouldn't actually be ranging much lower than the previous level of a support, right? Actually, sorry, a resistance right here exactly at 4,033, which means it's going to be ranging for, oof, that's a lot actually. Wait a minute, guys. I'm on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I thought I'm actually on the 1-hour time frame. So this is the 1-hour time frame. Yeah, that's actually more convenient. Let's set our stop loss to be right here exactly at the previous level of a resistance right here exactly at 4,449, which means the safe zone, or actually the stop loss, is going to be around 290 pips against 858 pips in our favor. Let me now please write the signal for you. And that will be our updated signal on the gold. Again, my friends, always remember that we absolutely don't promise any profits at all, and we are just doing the best we can to analyze the gold and hoping for the best. So please consider that this signal might fail. Trading gold is riskier than ever. So please, guys, always handle a proper money management, and remember your risk is your fund is at risk. So please be careful if you decided to take this signal. And also don't forget, please, to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube. And you can also get to try our VIP gold signals channel, which actually we have, as you can see, the results right in front of you. We have been scalping gold all day long, and thankfully we had some good results. But again, I have to remind you again that we cannot really promise the same results every single day. Some days will be bad, and for that we have to be sure and we have to be careful. So again, my friends, the channel name is Xtreme Gold Signals. This channel is completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything at all to join it. You can just simply find the link in the description below of this video. Just join it and stay connected to Xtreme Trader. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.